In a world filled with complex gadgets and smart technology, sometimes the most fascinating creations are the ones we build with our own hands. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build a classic Pong game using the ESP32 and a small OLED display. This project used two push buttons for player control, an AI opponent for automatic movement, and a buzzer for sound effects. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build and play your own Pong game. So without any delay, let's get started. Let's first look at the components that we need for this project. We need a breadboard, an ESP32 development board, a 0.96-inch OLED display, one active buzzer, two push buttons, some jumper wires, and an USB micro cable to upload the code. All these components are easily available and low cost. Now let me explain the wiring connections. First, let's connect the OLED display. The ground pin of OLED goes to the ground pin of ESP32. The VCC pin of OLED goes to the 3.3 volt pin from ESP32. And the SCL pin will connect to GPIO pin 22 and the SDA pin connect to GPIO pin 21. Now connect the buzzer. The positive pin of the buzzer connects to the GPIO pin 32 and the negative pin of the buzzer connects to the ground. Next, let's connect the push buttons. The first button, which is up button, connects to the GPIO pin 25 and the other pin of the button connects to the ground. The second button, which is the down button, connects to the GPIO pin 26 and the other pin of the button connects to the ground. Once the connections are complete, we can move on to the coding part. Connect the ESP32 with the computer and open the code. You can get the code from the description below. Before uploading the code, we need to install two libraries. Download two libraries from the link provided in the description. Then go to the Arduino IDE, click on Sketch, then include library, then add zip library. Go to the directory of library and select it. Do the same process for another library. Inside the code, we define the button pins 25 and 26, the buzzer pin 32. We initialize the OLED using I2C pins 21 and 22. Before uploading the code, make sure we select the correct board and the correct port we are using. Finally, upload the code. Now let's see the final result. As you can see on the screen, the Pong game is running on the OLED display. Using the up and down buttons, we can control the player paddle. The right paddle is controlled automatically by the AI. When the ball touches the screen edge, you can hear the buzzer sound. Both the player and AI scores are displayed at the top of the screen. The game is smooth, fun, and works perfectly. So that's how we can build a Pong game using ESP32 and an OLED display. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Arduino and ESP32 projects.